I was terrified as hell to send my first cold email. Who would hire me? I had no experience, no testimonials, just a few practice samples. But I took the leap and landed a client that paid me $300 within days. That's when I realized that getting a client as a freelance copywriter is way easier than you think. No experience, it is totally fine. That's not a problem. And in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can land your first paying client, even if you've never written a word on a copy before. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere. And on this channel, I help you make real money online. So whether it is through freelancing, remote job, or side hustle, you want to stick around to the very end. If you want to land your first client ASAP, hit that subscribe button now and turn on your bell notification. You don't want to miss these strategies that I'll be sharing in today's video. Stay to the end because I'll be giving you the exact outreach script that is working right now to sign high-paying clients. Step number one, stop overthinking it and just start. Like, so many of us spend days, months thinking about what could go wrong. What if I told you that some of the highest paid copywriters in the world started with zero? Like they had no experience, they had zero experience. Most beginners make one critical mistake when starting. We are waiting for the perfect time. Like you want to hear, I feel ready. That's never going to happen. You need a portfolio to start first. That's wrong. I should take another course. That's wrong. The one you have taken is enough. What if they say no? And then what happened? You proceed to the next. Here is the truth. You would never feel ready. Like, trust me, you would never feel ready. Nobody has ever felt ready. You learn by doing. So fast track your learning. Watch YouTube tutorials on copywriting. Read Cash Vesting. Trust me, it's a game changer. Practice by writing mock sales emails, ads, or web copy. Now, the action you should take after watching this video right now is to pick one copywriting format. It could be email, web copy, ads, and write a sample today. No excuse, like, don't give an excuse. Step number two, who to pitch. Now, I get it that finding your first clients might be difficult, but will you believe me if I said that every businesses in the world need a copywriter? Yes, they need copywriting. Coaches, influencers, real estate agents, e-commerce, brand, software companies, name it, they all need better marketing. So instead of stressing over finding a perfect niche, start with email copywriting. It is easy to learn and highly profitable. Businesses need recurring emails like on a weekly basis. Some send emails on a daily basis, meaning recurring income for you. It directly makes them money. So they are happy to pay you and it's a win-win for both parties. Your task here is to decide what type of copy you want to write. If you're unsure, email copy is the easiest and you want to start from there. Step number three, where to find clients. And I get it. A lot of people struggle with it. But trust me, they are hiding in plain sight where you can see them. You're not struggling to find clients. You're just looking in the wrong place. Now, listen to me before you feel like, oh, I'm searching, but I'm not getting. The best place to find clients, Instagram DMs. You can use Twitter DMs. You can search for business hashtags like skincare, brand, fitness coaches, name it, depending on the niche that you're in. LinkedIn, search for business owners, content creators, and agencies. Facebook group, you want to join groups for entrepreneurs, startup and small business owners. You can use freelance platforms. This is totally optional. You don't have to use this. You can use Fiverr, you can use Upwork, you can also use people per hour. Now, your task is, instead of spamming people with pitches, start by engaging with their content. This is what most people miss out. Comment on their posts, like it is social media, so you need to be social. Share their work. Make them notice you strategically before you DM them. Now, I need you as you watch this video to find 10 potential clients on any of this platform. It could be Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Write down their name. Step number four, cold DM strategy, and I'll be sharing the exact scripts that you're going to use. Okay, so how do you actually message these clients and get them to pay you? That's probably the question on your head right now. But don't worry, you don't need to send long spammy email. You don't need to beg them for work. You don't have to overthink it. You don't have to show that they must employ you. You don't want to like sound aggressive. Use this script. Hey, you put the client's name. I came across your page and I love what you're doing. Looks like your brand is growing fast. Are you currently using email marketing? A lot of people send this to me, like, so this script work. So this is why this work. It opens up a conversation for you instead of hard selling. Now, there are only three possible responses, and I need you to keep an open mind in this. Yes, we already do email marketing, and ask them how it's going or offer improvement. No, but we'd love to. Then give that is a great opportunity for you to write their first email for them. Or the third response is they don't give you a response at all. Then you follow up in a few days. Now, today, as you finish watching this video, send a DM to 5 business owners to set this running. You want to stop giving excuses. Step number 4, what do you do when they ask you for sample? So you finally gotten a response from them and they hit you with, do you have a sample? And you're like, you've never worked with a client. Just create a sample, write a mock copy for the type of business you're pitching to. If needed, offer to write a free sample email specifically for their brand. Now, you can use this response to like reply to them immediately. I'd love to send a sample, but instead of sending a random sample, I would rather write a free email for your brand that you can actually use. Would you like me to send something together? And this way they know that you're ready. Now, this is why this works. It shows that you're confident and you know the real value that you're bringing up front. It also increases your chances of getting the clients to work with you. Now, you know I love to give action steps, right? So create 3 sample emails to have ready for that potential clients that will reach out to you or that you're going to reach out to. Now, let's quickly recap on everything I've shared with you today. I hope you've been able to pick one or two. So let's recap on how to land your 5 high-paying copywriting clients. Step number 1, stop overthinking it and start now. Like if you think about it from now till the end of 2025 without taking action, nothing is going to happen. Step number 2, choose the type of copy you write. Email copy is the easiest, so you can start from that. Step number 3, find potential clients on social media, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and all of that. Step number 4, send cold DM today using the script to 5 to 10 businesses per day. 5 to 10 businesses per day, yes. Step number 5, be ready to send samples or conduct a free trial email. Let me know in the comment below which steps you're currently stuck on or which of the steps that you're taking. Have you tried cold DMs before? If so, how did it go? If this video helped you, smash the like button and share it with someone who needs it. And if you're new here, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button for more freelancing tips and how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next. Go land that first client and don't forget to come share your success story with us. I cannot wait to see you win. Bye.